Let's quickly fix this red alert. iCloud storage is almost full, and start receiving new emails in your iCloud mail inbox. The first easy solution is to check the storage and quickly free up or upgrade your plan. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on the Apple ID profile name. Now, tap on the iCloud option. See, my iPhone iCloud storage is full. Tap on it to see allotted iCloud storage on your iPhone with iCloud photos, backups, messages, and voice memos. From here, delete unwanted backups or turn off iCloud photos or delete from voice memos. Once you regain free space on our iCloud account, you can receive an email. Here, I fixed the problem and the warning message is gone. Isn't it in your case? Then, follow the next solution. Ensure that then iCloud Mail use on iPhone is enabled from the settings. Launch the Settings app and tap on the Apple ID profile name. Tap on iCloud and tap on the Mail settings option. Keep this toggle enabled to use and sync the Cloud Mail server to your iPhone Mail app, or disable and enable the toggle to re-download emails. In addition, check mail forwarding is off. Otherwise, you won't see a new email in your iCloud mailbox. Some people are very tired, and none of the solutions are working. Recommend utilizing this feature to bypass the iCloud Mail account and redirect important emails to another mail account. Add the account here, and the issue will be resolved temporarily. If you disagree, turn off this feature from here and save the changes. In another case, some of the emails are not receiving apart from others. Then I recommend checking the junk/trash folders. Open your Mail app on your iPhone, go to your mailboxes, and under the iCloud section, tap on Junk folder to find marked as spam or blacklist email. If you stop using iCloud Mail, you might have trouble with your email services. Make sure to check Apple's terms and conditions, especially for your iCloud Mail account's mailbox size and message sending limits. In another solution, check Apple Mail iCloud system status. You can visit the Apple System Status page online on your iPhone browser. You can always check it online. Just open your iPhone browser and you'll be able to see the status. If you're experiencing an outage, don't worry, it's usually temporary. Just give it a few minutes and try again. Once everything's back to normal, you'll be able to access the email service without any issues. Last solution is we recommend to contact Apple support or send feedback to Apple from this webpage. You can book appointment or contact with them via chat, email, or phone number. From Apple support page. If you discovered a helpful solution and resolved an issue, please consider sharing it with the community. Your contributions are greatly appreciated. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.